How to save storage space when taking pictures with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on advanced picture option. After click on advanced picture option, so you will see high efficiency picture is here. If you want to save storage space when taking picture with camera, so turn on this button. After turn on high efficiency picture, go back to home screen. So that's how you can save storage space when taking pictures with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.